take these batteries out of an enclosed battery box. And old batteries, sometimes they'll swell up a little bit. That's not unusual. These are swollen to the point where they actually split. So this is a sealed lead acid battery. So they're swollen to the point where they've split, and there's battery acid coming out of those.
Yeah,
now,
you can see the drips there, yeah.
So now battery acid, the fumes that come off battery acid are extremely explosive, and they have a very low flash point. So if you open your box and you see wet in there, don't be smoking, don't be doing any electrical work, don't be just
Light
and
anything.
be really careful taking them apart, because when they explode, it's extremely violent. And just to say, sealed lead acid batteries don't usually explode, but when they're swollen to that point and you let them go that far and they split.
And they have a distinctive smell, but it's not sulfur. It's
No.
You can't smell on the video, but it's got a smell.
But if you open it up and it's swollen like that, and split, and you smell an odd smell, just be really, really careful.
And we'll show you the inside of the box too. That moisture there, you can show is with the line. So this all be cleaned up and then put back in. So proper maintenance on batteries is very important.
That's it. And it eats everything except plastic.
Oh yeah?
Pretty much.